So what could I possibly talk about today? What can we talk about as a family together on today's video? There it is right there. Solana records the second highest day in fees, thanks to dogs and meme coins. Yeah, like Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, Bonk, HueFin. Users roughly paid, get this, $1.1 million on March the 7th in gas fees alone, just to transact on the Solana blockchain, with a large part of those fees coming from the meme coin trading on decentralized exchanges, which is built off of Solana's blockchain. This is what FUD looks like, to where people may be willing to pay a little extra more just to get their hands on meme coins because they just see the price going up, with no legitimate reason, with no massive news coming out that will support paying these exorbitant fees for meme coins. Now, if you're trying to utilize Solana and you pay these gas fees, these transaction costs to buy Bitcoin, I get it, because you can see how the economy, the world, more people, more wealth is streaming into Bitcoin. But what about the meme coins? What purpose will they continue to push forward for the usage of cryptocurrencies? Will you be paying this additional fees just because you see the price going up for these meme coins? Layer 1 blockchain Solana had the second highest day in total transaction fees paid by users yesterday. This article was produced on March the 8th, so March the 7th is the day in reference. Data from blockchain analytics firm Artemis shows on March 7th, users paid $1.1 million in fees. Solana's second highest day in fees generated comes a little over a month after the blockchain network recorded its high of 1.2 million in daily fees on January the 31st. So if you can just simply pay attention to fees being paid on these blockchains, I think you get an understanding as to where money is flowing. So you don't really have to look at these articles. You don't have to click on numerous YouTube videos or content to figure out, hey, can this meme coin go up? All you need to do is look at the fees that people are willing to pay, because apparently money is on the move. And like I tell you all the time, money only moves to attract, to make more money. So here's this article. Here it is on Artemis. This is their analytical blockchain that the article talks about. And you guys can see the fees here for Solana. Here it is, March the 10th, 2 days ago. The fees in Solana even topped out at $1.3 million. So the article is already history, because the fees in Solana is still going higher. So apparently, just off of the fees alone, we can surmise that these meme coins off these decentralized exchanges are still being pumped, just by that alone. A lot of these graphs, a lot of these data points that we're looking at on Artemis is literally showing Solana going higher. Even the price, even the market cap of selected Solana coins in the market. This is the trading volume on the decentralized exchanges for Solana. Daily transactions is falling off. So if the fees are increasing, but the daily transactions aren't, what would cause that disparity? Why is the market moving that way? Should not the daily transaction also be increasing? Things that make you go, Per Artemis, of the top 5 applications of Solana ranked by gas consumption, 3 of them are DeFi protocols, decentralized finance protocols, code, specifically trading platforms, Radium, Jupiter, and Drift. These 3 platforms are decentralized exchanges, meaning that no centralized entity controls it. The 3 collectively have generated almost $470,000 in gas fees over the past day. Just 3 platforms, just 3. A Dune dashboard created by data scientist Andrew Hong shows that the second most traded pair on Solana-based decentralized exchanges in the past 7 days is Solana paired against HueFin, which is a meme coin. with a trading volume of $1.04 billion, which is behind Solana and the stablecoin USDC, which is at 5.14 billion. These all include, as well as HueFin and Bonk, other meme coins. Quote, our hypothesis for the spike in fees generated is overall higher usage due to meme coins. There's also a spike in wallet transfer gas usage, so likely folks moving Solana to and from centralized exchanges to trade. This is what, end quote, this is what Artemis co-founder John Ma said in a Telegram message to Unchained. This is what a bull market looks like. This is what euphoria looks like. It's where people all of a sudden begins to be more active and excited and think that they can literally hit the moon off of these price action moves, right? But here it is right here. Solana is still bullish. Even when I did my price prediction in Solana, I was telling you that we was looking for the market in Solana to go higher. Here, January the 3rd of 2024 is when the price prediction was placed on this chart. If I extend it over, you guys can see our ultimate TP price was hit in Solana on the 29th of February, 18.7% there. Now, if we were to get out the market now with Solana, we'd be up 42%. This is what a bull run looks like. Now, the problem that many people come across is like, you see it going higher and higher every day. You begin to question, well, is this the top now? And you begin to hold back, and maybe I just won't buy nothing right now because it just looks too expensive for where it was. I get it. But we have to allow the market dynamics to speak to us and tell us what the overall market is thinking. So let me zoom out and let me ask you this question. Does it look like the market is topping out now? If so, what is giving you that perception? What is making you think that Solana has now topped? Because from my perspective, I don't see the market in Solana topping out right now. I don't see that. Matter of fact, we've seen the price in Solana break this sell zone here. The price in Solana has broken this sell zone here. And now the market in Solana is trying to break this sell zone here. So the buyers of Solana are literally taking out all of that selling pressure and pushing the price up. That is how strong Solana currently is right now. Okay. So let me do this. As we continue to see this market in Solana go higher, we need to identify the buy zones, meaning that whenever price do come down, because it will, just get ready for it. We want to see the buyers really hold the price though. Okay. So these are our newest buy zones that we're going to look at here. Okay. So let me cut these out the way because the market is so far away from these buy zones that we don't want to make this chart confusing. But these are our three targets. Only under the auspice that price goes down, we want to see price bounce off of these zones right there. Okay. Now let me look at this on the weekly chart, because on the weekly time frame, the trend is definitely still strong. Look at this. So it looks like if you're trying to wait to buy the market in Solana, this is where you will want to consider buying the market there off of that trend, because it has bounced off that line numerous times, rather than buying it right now at 150. Here it is on the 2 weeks chart. Look at that. We still got that indication of strength there. Solana on the 3, Solana on the 5. I'm just going through this real quick, just to show you how strong this market is in Solana. Solana on the monthly chart. So I think we need to look over here to where price in Solana hasn't been trading ever since 2022, 2 years ago. The price action in Solana hasn't been trading there at all for about 2 years. So let me zoom in on this. We're going to put a sell zone here into the market in Solana there, meaning that these will be targets that we suspect that the buyers are going to try to move the market to. Okay. There's one here. And then we're currently hitting a sell zone now in Solana. Right there. So these are going to be our newest targets in the market for Solana. Okay, so let's push this back because I'm still expecting the strength to occur into the market in Solana. So we're going to hit this. We're hitting this first target already. So the first target I will tell you is for us to see the market hit this upper sell zone. This first one, 158.74. That gives us 5.2% there. Then my second target is going to be around 176. That gives us 16.64. Then my third target will be at 180.45. 19.5%. All right, so that's currently it. Now, like I said, when price comes down, I really don't want to see the market break this buy zone in the middle. I don't want to see that happen. But if it does, then we need to have another conversation looking for a price in Solana to continue to go lower. But that's it. I'm done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts about the gas fees, about these decentralized exchanges, about people buying meme coins just because they see the price going up for them, and about Solana. Where do you think the top is going to end up for Solana? Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.